Hi guys, welcome to my welcome to the video.
My video.
Welcome to my video. So today we're gonna unboxing and just one and only because I'm still alone in this summer, but not summer now.
COVID-19.
COVID-19. I'm too being alone, but sometimes I have hard works.
So today we're
Right,
gonna unbox a
Kawasaki welding machine.
yeah.
Ooh, pretty neat, but too small. I can just bring it just like a box.
Yes.
Just to
It is an inverter welding machine.
yeah, side to side.
This one is a 200 amps. This is a mini,
The mini one.
and it is at IGBT. Of course, it has arc force technology and anti-stick hot start, and original big in Japan.
Japan.
I don't know if this is made in Japan. We don't know.
Still, it's gonna heavy if
It's 3.5 kilos.
kilos. It doesn't mean that it's heavy. It's weak.
Okay, let's open it.
Boom. Pow. Bap. Bada boom. Boom. Pow.
It's inside the box. Of course, the cords.
Why they're so small? They're so cute.
Put it there.
They're so cute.
That's the positive and the negative.
Bruh.
We're gonna test it.
Why the manual is underground?
Yeah, the manual.
Manual. I think I left something or never mind. Manual.
English. Yeah, it has a manual.
Oh, it's upside down. I didn't notice. I think it.
Yeah, pull. Okay, there's the welding machine.
It's more like it's a toy box.
Oh, it's like a toy.
So I just like
just the same size as your head. Okay, put it there.
it
Get the
doesn't
plastic.
more
So-
like
There's no mask inside. No mask is not
I keep
included.
smelling this because I'm a dress.
So Kawasaki, this is 220 volts, 200 amps, and we're gonna test it outside. What are you smelling? That don't smell that. You don't know where it came from.
I know. It reminds me from the mall.
Yeah, it smells like brand new
Yeah.
from the mall.
Boom.
Okay, so let's go. We're gonna go test it. Okay. Wait, wait, set lang na to siya. Oh.
Sure it?
120.
Let's go.
Sige, try.
Where is it?
No, you lost it? Oh, nawala man.
Oh my god.
Steady. Yep, steady Mia. Do not move. Da, kana, sige. Yeah.
Oh my.
Okay na. That's it. Wait sa, before ka mo do anything,
Of the
before mo, okay, that's it.
Thank you guys for I cannot see but okay.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, we'll answer.
If we can answer.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.